Hello everyone, welcome back to ARCHIP News. Today we want to share with you a recap of 2024. The year has already been good again for crypto with lots of highlights. We have seen increasing institutionalization, we have seen all-time highs for Bitcoin, as well as a crypto-friendly US president. But let's take it step by step. In January, the highly anticipated Bitcoin ETFs were finally approved, sending Bitcoin onto its first rally earlier this year. Over the course of 2024, the Bitcoin ETFs actually became the most successful ETFs in the history of ETFs, amassing over 12 months even more assets under management than the US gold ETFs. That is quite impressive. A technical milestone was reached for Ethereum in March. The so-called Dencun upgrade made the Ethereum blockchain more efficient, decreasing transaction fees for layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism or Base by around 90%, which is also quite an achievement. Simultaneously, we saw BlackRock, the world's biggest asset manager, launch a tokenized product on the Ethereum blockchain itself. The product is a tokenized money market fund, so it's securitized or backed by US treasuries, and it was already able throughout the year to gain assets north of $500 million US. And also this was quite an achievement for the RWA space, the real world asset space, which also led to a lot of attention for this space. Also in March, we as Murky Baumann celebrated a personal highlight. With a widely recognized event all throughout Switzerland, the bank marked its 5th anniversary of being in the crypto sector, and we also launched the brand ARCHIP. That we are on the right track became clear later in the year with other major banks like PostFinance or the Zürcher Kantonalbank venturing into the crypto or digital asset space themselves. In April, the 4th Bitcoin halving took place, reducing block rewards from 6.25 to 3.125 Bitcoin. This brought Bitcoin's annualized inflation down for the first time to 0.8%, which obviously is also significantly lower than gold's annualized inflation, which stands at around 1.6%. In July, the Ethereum ETFs were launched to the surprise of many within the crypto sector. While they have not matched the success of Bitcoin ETFs, it still showed that Ethereum is also recognized as an asset as well as a blockchain within the traditional world of finance. And if the so-called staking component was to be integrated in the future, we think that the interest for this type of product could increase significantly. The summer was kind of mixed for crypto assets. Bitcoin was consolidating at around $60,000 US until the event in August, the so-called carry trade unwind, took Bitcoin by surprise, and a lot of positions were liquidated, bringing the Bitcoin price briefly below $50,000 US. However, bullish momentum remained intact, and already by September, prices were moving up again, most probably in anticipation of upcoming interest rate cuts by the US Central Bank. By October, it became obvious and evident that Solana is a force to be reckoned with as well. With a monthly DEX volume of about 52 billion US dollar, Solana's DEX volume, the volume of decentralized exchanges, surpassed that of Ethereum, which stood at around 44 billion at that time. And by November, Solana's volume nearly was double that of Ethereum's, cementing its place as another important hub for DeFi within the crypto sector. The driving force behind all of this was meme coins. They emerged as one of the best performing digital assets in the entire crypto sphere during this year. November then marked yet another turning point for Bitcoin and its price. Donald Trump was elected the 47th US president in all of history, and this triggered then the so-called Trump pump. His pro-crypto stance boosted the markets, and in December, Bitcoin for the first time ever passed this magical number of $100,000. Mid-December, Eric Trump, the son of Donald Trump, appeared at a conference in the Middle East, surprising attendees with his extensive knowledge in both Bitcoin and crypto. Obviously, it remains to be seen whether the Trump administration can follow through with all the promises they made to crypto people and crypto voters. Last but not least, in December, we saw yet another technical milestone for Bitcoin happening. sBTC was launched on the Bitcoin Layer 2 stacks. sBTC is a Bitcoin-backed digital asset which can be used in all sorts of DeFi application and is also expected to really boost DeFi happening on Bitcoin itself. Within 24 hours of launch, there were already over 600 Bitcoin or sBTC minted, showing that there is certainly interest for Bitcoin DeFi. As you can see, this was quite an exciting year for crypto, with lots of things happening in terms of price, but then also technology-wise, a lot of developments. So we at ARCHIP are already looking to another great year in 2025, and we hope to be, or we will be providing you with other new infos, news and videos. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe for this video, and we will see you next time. Bye.